everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really exciting video for you all. I'm going to be doing a Chatty Get Ready With Me for school at 8 AM. So yeah, I'm excited to do this because I've never done one of these. It's like early chip. Oh, my dog's eating. I'm downstairs. Also, yeah, I'm going to school. I have a reduced timetable due to having chronic pain and chronic fatigue. And yeah, basically, Chip, do you want to say hello? No. And this is my puppy. Ah! And he's a very aggressive. Okay. Also, yeah, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. And I don't look this much of a mess in my videos. Sometimes I do. Most of the time I do anyway. So if you're alright seeing this mess, then that's fine. And if you aren't new, then I love you. Okay, so basically, I don't wear much makeup to school anymore. Oh god, my hair, sorry. I don't wear much makeup to school anymore. It's just Chip. Okay. Yeah, I don't wear much makeup to school anymore, but because I've actually gained the confidence to just wear concealer, so it's just my sports. Alright, so we're starting with the Chip, come here. The Marabadescu Herbal Hydrating Serum. So Marabadescu actually sent me PR. Yeah, I know. Me too. I was shook. Stop. Also, I hope everyone's just having a good life, because I am right now. I'm living a good life. Last night, this is Monday by the way, last night me and my sister tried to make a zip wire because we were really bored. So we got a rope and it actually worked. Well, it didn't because Alice fell. But we didn't get like hurt or anything, so I suppose that's a good sign. But it was so fun, like, honestly. And my mum filmed us. Yeah, it's my birthday soon, and I'm so freaking excited. So I closed my PO box as well because I got like a few letters, but it wasn't enough letters to keep paying 40 quid a month, if that makes sense. So a lot of people want to send me birthday cards. So if you want to send me a birthday card nearer the time, message me and I'll give you my mum's work address, because then you can send it to my mum's work address. And then she'll get it and give it to me. Not any presents, please, no presents. If you send me a present, I will just honestly return it back. I just want birthday cards. Well, I don't want birthday cards, but if you want to send me one, something for my birthday, just a card, please, because I really don't want presents. I literally have everything I could ever want, so, and I'd feel really guilty because like I spent your money on me. Chip, what are you doing? I hope it makes sense. Okay, this is just like really hydrating and nice. Yeah, whee! Okay, stop. I got school. It's so upsetting. Okay. Also, the postman's coming today, and I got a message from DHL saying you got a parcel coming. I was like, yeah. Thank you, DHL. Chip. Should I spray this on Chip and see what he does? No, that's gonna hurt him, isn't it? This is the Marabadescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rosewater. I love it so much. Chip, look. Close your eyes. He went. I mean, if you don't drown your face in this facial spray, who are you? And it tastes so nice, doesn't it? Look how wet and glowy I am. I'll be back when this is dried down a little bit. Also, a little update. I'm gonna try and start uploading it every single day for you all now, because I just have too many video ideas, like, and then if I don't upload one, I get upset because like I don't have any comments to read. So that's it. Like that, I'm just gonna start uploading every single day. I hope you don't mind. I don't mind because I love uploading. I'm so tired. Okay, I'm gonna brush my hair, might as well, whilst I'm waiting for this to dry. My hair is straight, but I always straighten it because it's still like a little tiny bit like wavy. And straightening your hair just makes it so much nicer. This is the Tangle Teaser Angel hairbrush, if you're wondering. I've literally had it for so long, like 3 years, and it's amazing. And yeah, it is a bit more pricey for a brush, but then again, you get what you pay for. So you could spend, like, you're gonna spend that amount anyway after the times you've spent them. I don't know what I'm saying really, don't worry, ignore me. But yeah, I'm so excited for some holidays. Oh my god. Actually, we're going to do like a question of the day. If you've got a question of the day quickly, comment if you're going on holiday this year, where are you going on holiday, and put the plane emoji. And when I say holiday, it can just be like to like a caravan park, or to the beach one day, or to somewhere like even really close to you. Like, it doesn't have to be on a plane. So yeah, put where you're going on holiday and do a plane emoji. I'm doing that now. I'm doing a question every day because I think it's fun. Really. Also, give it a big thumbs up this video if you're enjoying it so far. Let's try and get to 400 likes, you know. Yeah, this top's from Zaffle, by the way. Dressing gown's from Bow Avenue. It's a Christmas dressing gown, but we love Christmas, so what's the point of not having one? Okay, now I get my CYO highlighting concealer brush with Brilliance in shade Fair, and it's really not that fair. And then it's like a little clicky pen. God, I thought it was empty and I was like, great. And what I do with this is I just put it all on my spots here. Yeah, basically. Because I've actually because I used to have to go with like a full face foundation on. But you know what, I've been loving just going natural. It's so funny. I never thought I'd be natural, ever. I was like, I'm always going to be that girl that's glammed. I'm going to be that girl that has to wear tons of crap on their face. But no, I'm the opposite now. I think I'd rather go natural. I mean, I still love eye makeup to pieces, but I've never worn eye makeup to school, obviously. I mean, if you do, then you do you, but I don't, because it's a bit extra even for me. Says the one who wore a tiara, but yeah, and as you can see, it doesn't cover completely, so like you can see my naturalness through it. Does that make sense? But it does cover a little bit, so that I have like that little extra bit of confidence, really. And then okay, I'm gonna put it on this side. I haven't got as many this side. It used to be the other way around, but now no. That was the skincare routine, because before these spots showed up, my skin was doing really well, and it's because, like, you know, that time of the month's coming up, so I get more spots anyway. But yeah, basically I'm just so happy my skin was finally clearing up. If I keep looking over here, I know it's so annoying, but you know, I want to do like I wish it could be Christmas now. Like, I would love Christmas, but then again, I do like the summer now. I used to hate the summer. Last night, oh my god, let me tell you now, I was so hot. I hate the freaking heat, but I like summer because of like my birthday, summer holidays, fashion. But winter was my favourite. Nothing can beat winter. I should have been called Winter. I don't even know why I'm not. Well, because I was born in the summer, and I don't think my mum and dad would call me Winter if I was born in the summer. So, but you know, I hate. And basically, that is what my face looks like every day for school. Pretty natural. Au naturel. Get my French out. I'm going to Paris on the 10th of August. I'm so freaking excited. Basically, what we're doing now, me and my mum always go away, just us two, for like 3 days. So we're going to Paris this year for 3 days, and I'm so excited. And then after that, hopefully we're going to Spain, either Spain or south of France, but Spain is like a cheap holiday, so hopefully we're going to go on Spain, because then if we go on a cheap holiday this year, we can afford New York in January, basically. But I really wanted to go to south of France because it's so nice in south of France. But then, like, it would have been a bit too much France. Like, that's a lot of France for 1 year. But I love France. I really want to live in France. If you're French, I love you. Alright, so we've done that now, basically. And then I'm just going to put some more. Drench my face in this again. I've used so much of it already. I've literally had it 3 days. Okay, and now I just like to straighten my hair. So I have the GHD flat iron golds, and I'm going to wait for them to heat up, plug them in, and then I straighten my hair. I can't tell if it's heating up or not, I'm not going to lie. Guys, I can't tell. I don't think the plug's turned on, that's why. Well, that would probably be a good start, wouldn't it? We're ready for school. This is my everyday look we're going for. And I just put my school clothes on, but I'm not yet because I don't have school for like, it's 9 o'clock and I go in at 10:50 because my reduced timetable. So I basically have an hour and 40 minutes to chill out with my makeup on. Well, I haven't really got makeup on, have I? It's just a little bit concealer and my hair straightened. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you do like more like chilled videos like this, comment down below. Remember to do the question of the day and leave the emoji of the day, which is the aeroplane. Comment where you're going on holiday, and if you're not going on holiday, comment one thing you're really excited about doing this summer. And yeah, I love you all to the moon and back. Subscribe, like, comment, blah blah. Love you all. Bye.